Welcome to Goa 365 English News Bulletin. I am Glenn and these are the headlines.
Naveli village in Bicholi's mining belt sees farmers making profits by cultivating vegetables and other crops under the shadow of the coronavirus. Government says will inspect Donapal's Wangani beach work, take action if found to be illegal. Rainfall expected over the next few days, no large change in temperatures too in the state, even as Cyclone Yash creates havoc in Bengal.
And now for the news in detail. India has reported 2,08,921 COVID-19 cases in the last 24 hours. The daily cases are increasing, but the daily deaths are moving up and down. The country reported 4,157 deaths in the last 24 hours, taking the death toll to 3.11 lakhs. Here's more.
India has recorded less than 3 lakh daily cases for 10 consecutive days now. Active case load has also now reduced to 24,95,591. Active cases have decreased since its last peak on 10th May. A net decline of 91,191 is witnessed in the last 24 hours. It now comprises 9.19% of the country's total positive cases. The weekly positivity rate is currently at 11.45%, while the daily positivity rate has reduced and now stands at 9.42% today. It remained less than 10% for second consecutive days now. Bureau Report, Goa 365.
In the mining area in Naveli village in Bicholi Taluka, a group of farmers are making a profit by cultivating vegetables and other crops during pandemic times. Here's more.
Vishwambar Gavas is a farmer, said that earlier he was working in mining, but after mining stopped, he started farming in the area. But only now in this pandemic, business has become profitable. Farming is the way forward, Gavas said.
मागच्या पावसानं आहेत मोठ्या प्रमाणात सगळी तरेची भाजी काढली आणि आता भाजी काडपाचें काम चालू आहे. आता सिडलिंग प्रोसेस सुरू आहे आमचो, म्हणजे कारली, काकडी, दोडगी सगळे व्हरायटीज आमी आता सीड्स घातलेले आसा. ह्या 2-3 दिसांक आमचे प्लांटेशन आसतले. एकंदर ह्या पॅन्डेमीक सिच्युएशनाचेर आमी जर पळयलें जाल्यार खरो ऑक्सिजन जो आसा तो आमकां मेळटा शेतांत, आनी तो ऑक्सिजन हो आरोग्याच्या दृश्टीन तसो एक नंबराचेर आमकां मनशाक जाय पडटा. तसोच जे मनशाक जाय खावपाक ते बी हांगा शेतांत मेळटा. प्रामुख्यान एक गोश्ट सांगपाक सोदता की ह्या पॅन्डेमिकान सगळे उद्योग धंदे बंद जाले, पूण तो शेती वेवसाय जो आसा हो उत्तम प्रकारे चलता. आनी हांवें जो म्हाजो धंदो सुरू केलो गेली 5 वर्सां हांव ह्या धंद्यान पूर्ण वेळ आसा, तेन्ना आमकां गोवा हॉर्टिकल्चर मोठ्या प्रमाणात कॉर्पोरेशन करतात. त्याच प्रमाणे आमच्या म्हणजे स्वताचे शॉपूय आसा, थंयसरूय सगळ्यो व्हरायटीच्यो भाजी ज्यो आसा त्यो मोठ्या प्रमाणात आमचे मार्केट जाता. दुसरी म्हत्वाची गोश्ट की पॅन्डेमिकान पयशे जे आसा ते फार्मरांक बऱ्यापैकी आता येवपाची वाटचाल जाल्ली, आनी म्हाका दिसता की शेतकाराचे खरे दीस आता येयल्ले आसा. तेन्ना एक शेतकारी म्हणून सांगूंक सोदता की गोंयान आमच्या ज्या जी पडींग जमीन आहा ती मोठ्या प्रमाणात आताच्या यंग जनरेशनान एक कल्टिवेशनाक हाडून एक आत्मनिर्भर जावचो आनी गोंय सरकाराचे जे आत्मनिर्भर आसा त्या उपक्रमांक सगळ्यांनी सहभाग जावचो.
म्हणजे कोविडान तुमकां कसो कितें फायदो जाला, म्हणजे कितलो आसा
कोविडाच्या बाबतीत? तर की म्हाजी जी हे आसा भाजी आसा ती 100% ऑर्गेनीक, की हांव कसल्याच प्रकारचे रासायनीक खत वापरना. ह्या हेतूंतल्यान म्हाका ते म्हज्या मार्केटात आनी लोक स्वता आमच्या कडेन येवन व्हरतात आनी मोठ्या प्रमाणात जे जाता ते आमी हॉर्टिकल्चराक घालता.
आमी सध्या आसा नावेली, एक मायनींग आसलेली जागा, म्हणजे सध्या मायनींग बंद आसा आनी खुबशे जे लोक आसले पयलीं मायनींग वेवसाय नासले ते आतां शेती कडेन वळ्ळ्या. आनी अशेंच एका जाग्यार आमी उबे आसा, त्यांनी कितकीशीं वर्सां ते शेत करता आनी बऱ्यापैकी पीक घेता, भाजी हेजे तेजे उत्पादन करता. सध्या पॅन्डेमिकाच्या हे आसा तातूंत ताणें सांगलें की त्यांची जी भाजी आसा ती बऱ्यापैकी चलता सध्या, आनी हॉर्टिकल्चर जे आसा डिपार्टमेंट कॉर्पोरेशन ते त्यांची भाजी उखलता आनी तांकां बऱ्यापैकी फायदो जाता. हेतून अशें दिसता की मायनींग जी जागा पयलीं आसली मायनींग थंयसर ज्या लोक आसा त्यांनी शेती कडेन वळपाक जाय, की मायनिंगेचेरूच डिपेंड रावपाक जायना. पण आतां सध्या मायनिंग बंद आसा, तातूंत जे युवक आसा त्यांनी शेती कडेन वळोन आपली जी आत्मनिर्भर जी जावपाची हें आसा ती साध्य करपाक जाय.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. The work on Dona Paula's Wangani beach has stirred up a lot of controversy. Now the Environment Minister Nilesh Cabral says that he will personally inspect the work, and in case any action has to be taken, it would be taken. Here are the details.
There has been an outcry over the work in what is happening on the Wangani beach at Dona Paula. The hotel management has come up with a statement saying that they have all the permissions. However, this has been denied by the activists who have approached the courts and filed a complaint with all statutory bodies.
The Goa Pollution Control Board is an autonomous body. CRZ is an autonomous body. All these bodies are autonomous. Direct control of the minister is not there. It is the central. But we can always say, I have joined today my duty. I will examine in the same. And if it is wrong, I will personally go and break it with the help of the administration staff. If it is wrong, but the law is for everybody is the same. For me also, for everybody is the same. If I am doing wrong, I have to be also taken by the law. So let me see what it is. Let me understand, and I can assure the people of Goa that I will personally follow up and see what is the issue of. I am accountable to people of Goa, and I am accountable to everybody. And I am aware, and since I was not well, COVID so I have recovered it. So what I am trying to say is I have come back, I will monitor, and if required I will go personally to see the inspection to see what wrong they have done.
William Rodrigues for Goa 365 from Panaji.
Many of the under construction national highways in Goa have turned into death traps. Here is an example. At Naveli on the NH66 and the Western Bypass junction, there are no signages at all. This is the junction where both the highways meet, and the lack of signages creates confusion and has led to road mishaps. Watch.
आज आम्ही ज्या ह्या जाग्याचेर आसा ही आसा नॅशनल हायवे 17 जी मडगांवच्यान काणकोण वता, आनीक हो जो रोड आसा फाटल्यान तो वेस्टर्न बायपास रोड, हो रोड आनीक नॅशनल हायवे हेंचो एक संगम ह्या नावेली हांगा जाता. आनी हो संगम जाता आसतना जे इंजिनियर आसात PWDचे तेणी आज नावेलीच्या MLA घेवन आज इन्स्पेक्शन केले हांगा, आनीक तेतूंत नावेलीच्या MLAन तांकां विचारले की हांगा जे दोन्ही रोड टच जाता नॅशनल हायवे 17 आनीक वेस्टर्न बायपास, तर हेजेर तुमी ओव्हरब्रिज कित्याक घातला या अंडरपास कित्याक केला, तर ते सांगपा लागले की हो जो अंडरपास आनीक ओव्हरब्रिज आनी सिग्नल हेजो सेकंड फेजीक येतलो. जो हो संगम हांगा जावपा आसा, हो संगम नॅशनल हायवे आनीक वेस्टर्न बायपासाचो कितली लोकांलो ह्या जाग्याचेर जीव घेतलो हे तो काळ सांगतलो. कित्याक हांगा आतां मोदी म्हणटा ते आमी सर्कल घालतले, एक पुलीस दवरतले.
Western bypass meeting the national highway. This is a national highway. It was an old national highway. This is an old national highway. The new national highway is coming this side. So this is a meeting point where they are doing roundabout. According to me, this is a temporary work. Finally, you require a overbridge over here because this is a national highway traffic. But I don't know when that national highway will do it. In the meantime, we want to make sure this road and the meeting point is finalized before the rainy season. I hope that they will be able to complete this work within next 3-4 days. The necessary drawings are already here. Our executive engineer is here, the contractor is here, and I hope that this work will be completed by the next 3-4 days. Inga proper signal aspa जाय, signages. आणि हिंगा प्रॉपर ट्रॅफिक सिग्नल्स आसपा जाय. सो सांगितलं की ते टेंडर केल्लो जातले बेगीन ते ट्रॅफिक सिग्नल घातले आनी ट्रॅफिक सिग्नल येवचे आदीं म्हाका दिसतालें तेमी हिंगा परमनंट पुलीस ट्रॅफिक पुलीस आसपा जाय लोकांक गायड करपाक. दिस इज ऑल टुगेदर अ न्यू अलायनमेंट and it is done as scientifically. So this is the central point where the traffic from the western bypass will go, and those who are staying beside, they can just take a turn and go this side. Once this highway is completed over the bridge, then all the traffic, and I have requested them to have a overbridge or underpass, so that the traffic which is coming can also smoothly.
किस सांगला त्यांनी आन्सर दिला हेचे अंडरपासा ना जाल्यार
इंजिनियर आयिल्लो आहा, कंट्रॅक्टर आयिल्लो आहा, टेक्निकल कन्सल्टंट आयिल्लो आहा, सो दे हॅव ओकेड इट.
गोवा 365 खातीर नावेल साकून रमेश नायकराव.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. This Nalla in Kaule is choked with garbage. During the recent rains, water from the Nalla overflowed and entered into 2 houses. It also destroyed the nearby paddy fields. Locals now want the irrigation department to desilt and clean up the Nalla before the onset of the monsoons. Here's more.
Kaulem Sarpanch Rajesh Kaurikar said that the fields belonging to 7 farmers were destroyed. He wants the irrigation department to clear the nallas at the earliest, as only 10 days are left for the arrival of the monsoon. The irrigation department says the estimate for the work is ready and they are waiting for the approvals, he said.
ॲक्च्युली आज आमचो कपलेश्वर नाला बेतोडेच्यान सगळी घाण पुणेच्यानी आनी ह्या नालाक आमच्या मेन नालाक लागता. पूण इरिगेशन डिपार्टमेंटान हेजेर 2 म्हयने पयलीं काम करपाक जाय, म्हाज्या हाणे तरी क्लियरन्स करपाक जाय. ती लाकडां बिकडां कितें तरी आसा सगळी येवन आमच्या वेळपान लागली आनी इतली घाण जाल्या की कचरो कितलोय जर क्लीन केलो जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता नालांनी कचरो भरपूर आसा, तो काडपाची आज गरज आसा. दुसरी गोष्ट जेन्ना आमच्या वेळपान बांदाक लागलो तेन्ना आमचे थंय अंकुश नायक आनी दुसरो आमगेलो आनंद नायक हे दोगांयच्या घरान ते उदक गेलें. मोठी हानी जाली म्हणटा ती शेतकऱ्यांची. तेंची शेतां ऑलरेडी लिवपाची आशिल्ली आनी ती शेतां सगळीं उदकान जमीनदोस्त जाली आनी कमीत कमी 7-8 शेतकऱ्यांक भरपूर लुकसाण जाल्लें आसा. हांव सरकारा कडेन मागतां की तांकां ती कितें तरी लुकसाण भरपाई दिवची. इरिगेशन डिपार्टमेंटान हेजेर लक्ष घालपाची गरज आसा. हेजे नाला बांदल्या ते नालान देंवपाक सुद्दां कांय कडेन देंवपाक सुद्दां तेंच्यांनी जागो दवरलेलो ना, देवन बाबा कितें तरी करतलो म्हणून. सो जो मनीस समज पडलो जाल्यार डायरेक्ट आमचे उणीर लागपाचो आनी हाती मेळपाचो ना. पूण जे फुडले जे नाला तेंचे बांदपाचे उरल्यात कवळे पाट्या वयल्यान फुडें ते नालान तरी हेंच्यांनी कितें तरी प्रोविजन दवरचें आनी ते नाला बांदून घेवचे. पूण ही सगळी जी हळशीक आसा ही प्री मॉन्सूना पयलीं तेंच्यांनी काडपाक जाय.
Krishna Naik for Goa 365 from Kaulem.
Now for the weather. Very light to light rainfall occurred at a few places over the state. There was no large change in maximum temperatures over North and South Goa districts. The highest maximum temperature of 34.3 degrees centigrade was recorded at Murmugaon. Goa will see rain at a few places in the next few days. With that, we have come to the end of this news bulletin. For more news and updates, log on to our website www.goa365.tv. Follow us on Facebook, Goa365 TV. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Goa365 TV, or download our app, which is available on both Android and iPhones, to watch all the latest news and updates on your mobile. Take care, stay safe, and keep watching Goa365.